surprised to be asked to speak today. And as many of you know, my name is Corazon Alma de Leon. My Corazon, I gave Department of Social Welfare and Development for more than 25 years. I became chairman of the Civil Service Commission, where I gave my alma. Bakit ko? Ako nagpipirma sa mga nakakapasa sa civil service. Pero ngayon, hindi ko na alam kung yung mga nasali sa flood control and civil service. But joking aside, the Rewan, the spirit, came when I joined the Philippine Red Cross, because I became Secretary General at age 65. So now I'm age 84. So I am proud na at age 84, I was still asked to be the Dean of Social Work at the Pamantasan ng Luzon ng Pinduma. Pero yung mga nag-aaral doon, hindi mga nakakulong. Talaga nag-aaral sila to be able to help mga communities. But why am I am here? Kasi na-opera na ako, that's why I have that's done. Na-opera na ako ng 2023. And I thought I was going to die. Kaya pinatawad ko na lahat ng may utang sa akin. Pero dahil nabuhay ako, wala nang pwedeng utang. Kasi I have to live my life as well. So, in this great service, I look that Lawrence Rosa Rizal is really the rose in the Philippine Red Cross, then and now. And of course, I knew her those 3 years when I was Secretary General. She was always there at the blood bank. And the people here from the Red Cross know that she wouldn't leave. Actually, we already had a parang memorabilia there in the blood bank. But of course, we moved to a new building. And since then, she had not been able to go there. I did visit her, I think after my surgery, and I knew she was already tired. I'd say tired because I knew that soon her life would be over. But even if her life is over, for us who have been influenced by her, we will always remember how we loved her and how gentle she was to many of the people in the Red Cross. Can I ask all the Red Crossers here to stand up to honor our Tita Rose? Please stand up. That's all I have to say, pero gusto ko isipin natin na hindi tayo nakakalimutan. Hindi dapat natin nakakalimutan siya because she inspired us in the Philippine Red Cross, and I think that the Red Cross will never be the same without her. Maraming salamat.